So we have with us today Fateh and his dad Aurora. They're from Chandigarh. Fateh is turning 17 soon, and he's a digit reader most of all. And we found him today, and he's attended the session today. People are really inspired by his interest in robotics. So we'd like to know, Fateh, how did you get interested in robotics?
My first inspiration will be my father.
Right.
He got me into robotics in class 2nd.
Okay.
He got me these mechanic sets and motors which I could join and make small robots.
Okay.
Then by the time I was in class 3, I was making robots about this big.
How big is that?
That's about how...
About 4 feet?
Yeah, 4 5 feet.
Okay.
Yeah. So then after the robotics phase, I went into the programming phase.
Okay.
I started HTML.
Okay.
Then I soon followed by C, C++, Java, JavaScript.
How did you manage to learn all of this at such a young age?
My dad got me a tutor,
Okay.
Dinesh sir. So he taught me all these languages and he taught me really well.
Okay.
Then during 8th,
Okay.
yeah, 8th half yearlies, there was this workshop at TRI, that's in Bombay, IIT.
Okay.
So they told me that no, they had this workshop about robotics. So and it was for engineering level college students. But really, I knew all the things they wanted to know before.
Such
we
as?
had, such as C++ programming and basic how to make basic models. I knew that.
Okay.
So they took a telephonic interview of me and they called me to IIT to teach me.
Okay.
So over there, they taught me really well about robotics and how to integrate the programming with the mechanical things and about microcontrollers and all. And
here I would like to add that at this workshop, he was 13 years old at that time.
Okay.
All the other students were third year, second year, fourth year engineering college students.
Okay.
And he was adjudged to be the best student in the class of about 20-25 students. He was 13 and they were all like engineering college.
That's
so
nice.
He was the best student in the class.
Nice. How did you grasp all of that?
Actually, I had been doing programming for about 5 years. Right?
Okay. You started at what age?
I started at 4th, I guess I started programming.
You started programming when you were in your 4th standard?
So about 4-5 years I had been doing.
Okay, and what did you start with? C?
I started with, C and HTML. HTML.
So you basically started HTML when you were in your 4th and then you proceeded to C?
C++.
Okay, and how did the microprocessors part happen?
Microprocessors, actually over there they didn't teach how to make microprocessors. They only taught how to program them.
Right, I mean this
so
is
programming
like...
I was already really good at. So
this is 8085 kind of...
8051.
8051, so microcontrollers. Okay. So then...
he makes his own boards.
Okay.
Soldering and all,
okay.
and putting the chips together.
Great.
That also he learned just along the way.
How did he learn all of that?
After the phase, I started to do more research and I started making my own microcontrollers by then.
Okay.
Then after that, the one night at dinner, the people from TRI came to meet us and they told us that I should come to meet them for internship for a month. So this year only I went, some occasions I went to TRI. They taught me MATLAB and image processing over there and I made a robot for them which could perform some of their tasks. So I learned image processing from there and over here I'm really motivated by the humanoids I'm seeing. I've been in this line for quite some time and this is the first time I've seen humanoids and so many of them.
Great.
So yeah.
Great. So is it possible for other students your age to also get into robotics?
Yeah, it is. It's possible. I mean, you just need to make that first boost. You need to get the boost.
Okay.
Maybe search the net and TRI. I think they are Lego and TRI. They're coming up with robots.
Okay.
TRI is this at IIT Mumbai.
Right.
It's called the Robotics Institute. Also Think Labs. They are promoting in schools and colleges these robotics activity in a very, very intense and big
So
scale.
Think Lab is in IIT Bombay.
Is in IIT Bombay.
Okay. It's a company
It's a
that
company
promotes robotics.
incubated in IIT.
Okay, okay.
So they promote robotics.
Okay.
And they have really been instrumental. That was TRI was that first workshop that he attended.
Okay,
Where
okay.
they allowed him to interact with the engineering college.
Okay, so this is by Think Labs.
This is by Think Labs.
So this is kind of like kits that you put in together, you learn.
No, kits is actually the kids stuff.
Okay.
He is more into the visual programming, MATLAB,
Okay.
and at this stage.
Okay, okay.
And actually, when you're talking about other kids being inspired by
Correct.
this or taking this on, just to put you, or rather inspired by what he was doing,
Right.
I started at his school. I started this robotics club
Okay.
for other students.
So you also have a background with robotics?
No, I don't have. I'm a mechanical engineer myself.
Okay.
I did my masters from USA. That was about 25 years ago.
Okay.
But I have one factory where I design and make special purpose machines.
Okay.
SPMs.
Okay.
So what I did with him in robotics, that was with the mechano sets,
Right.
integrate motors, gears, pulleys, cams,
Right.
all those. So that sort of stuff I started with the kids, other kids at his school.
Okay.
So just that more and more children can get a flavor of what robotics is.
That's
So
nice.
now I have sort of got Think Labs associated with the school,
Okay.
and they are now doing it with their kids.
That's nice.
At our school.
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. It's very encouraging to know of a fellow community member who has made his mark in this exciting field of robotics, and with so much of activity happening right now, we surely feel many more may be inspired to join this league. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Yeah.